Hey guys! In this video we are going to be checking out the best car stereo with built-in amplifier. You can buy it right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on the type of features and price. We have included options for every kind of user, so whether you are looking for the best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. SJoyBring Double-DIN Car Stereo. The SJoyBring Double-DIN Car Stereo is compatible with Apple CarPlay and allows drivers to access voice controls by simply saying, "Hey Siri." However, if you're at a red light or parked, you can use the 7.0-inch touchscreen or physical knobs to change what song you're playing and more. This car stereo also allows drivers to easily connect their phones via Bluetooth 5.0 technology. Answer your important phone calls without distracting your attention from the road with the JYD-006, which features a hands-free Bluetooth system, allowing for easy smartphone pairing. Built-in clear mic and equipped with external mic jack, wireless audio stream via Bluetooth, which provides stable connectivity to your smartphone or Bluetooth device. JYD-006 allows you to enjoy a superior music listening experience. The most impressive feature of this car stereo, and what sets it apart from similar products from competitors, is the fact that it comes with a rear-view camera. This means you don't need to go out and separately purchase one of the best backup cameras, as the included camera automatically relays video to the car stereo when your car shifts into reverse. You can also connect this car stereo to your steering wheel via your car's steering wheel controls, SWC. Number 2. Pioneer Double-DIN Bluetooth Car Stereo Receiver. The Pioneer AVH-X390BS is a high-gloss black double-DIN car stereo with a built-in amplifier. If you are looking for the best Pioneer car amplifier with Bluetooth, the AVH-X390BS has it all. This high-quality stereo allows you to have total control over your music with the easy-to-use Pioneer app. You can even turn it into a high-tech sound system complete with time alignment, crossover, and equalizer. The AVH-X390BS is not only a stereo but can also be connected to your smartphone for hands-free phone calling. Listen to all of your favorite music apps like YouTube, Spotify, and Pandora without ever touching the screen. The built-in 50-watt amplifier allows you to have a great sound experience without ever having to install an external amp. The best Pioneer car head unit comes with all the latest features you would want in a high-quality vehicle stereo system. This product is CTA 2006 compliant, meaning it meets the standards of performance for an external digital device that generates sound. It also comes with MixTracks, an app that creates a non-stop mix of your music that keeps on going even when you are stopped at a red light. Number 3. Sony MEX Car Stereo Receiver. The Sony MEX N3500BT car stereo receiver is a very versatile and functional stereo receiver. It has an old-school look but is equipped with modern features. This stereo has an LED color panel which is customizable. It has a very simple layout with easily accessible controls. You can fine-tune the sound according to your preferences with the help of equalization settings and low-pass and high-pass filtering options. Stay safe and obey local hands-free laws with built-in Bluetooth, HFB. From hands-free calling, wireless audio streaming, A2DP, with artist, album, and song search, simple pairing, and control audio. It has a wireless dual Bluetooth feature which can be very useful if you want to carry out multiple tasks at once. Your favorite stations wherever you go, wherever you are. You can get over 140 channels, including commercial-free music plus the best sports and live events, comedy, news, exclusive talk and entertainment. SiriusXM programming is received. The installation process is very easy and the instructions are clear and concise. You don't need an external amplifier, as the integrated amplifier does its job well by delivering powerful and good quality sound. Number 4. Kenwood 6.95-inch Digital Media Receiver. The Kenwood is one of the best car stereo head units on the market. It has built-in support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to use your smartphone safely while driving. This receiver gives you 2 video inputs for front and rear view cameras, so you can always keep an eye on what's happening around your car. This receiver supports high-res playback of music files stored on a USB drive, so you can enjoy your favorite tunes in crystal clear quality. Plus, with Pandora and Spotify support, you can listen to your favorite stations and playlists no matter where you go. The 13-band equalizer lets you tailor the sound to your specific taste, while the deep crossover settings allow you to customize the way different frequencies are handled. And for digital music sources, the built-in digital time alignment ensures that all the elements come together for a clean, clear sound. This premium receiver includes features like 3 pairs of 4-volt gold-plated RCA preamp outputs and next-level crossover capability, perfect for building an amazing-sounding 3-way system in your vehicle. Number 5. SYGAV Android 10 Car Stereo for Subaru Cars. The SYGAV Android 10 for Subaru Cars Stereo has all the features you'd expect from a car stereo system, and even more. The screen is a capacitive touchscreen, giving you a clear display. The resolution of this car stereo is amazing, coming in at 1280 by 720. It is equipped with built-in Bluetooth so you can stream music to your car stereo from any Bluetooth-enabled device. This car stereo is compatible with over 20 different languages, making it an international stereo system. The radio even has RDS, allowing you to see information about music playing on the radio at any given time, such as song titles and artist names. Being an Android-powered stereo system, this product is loaded with features. It gives you complete control over your music. You can download any music app on it, so there are countless ways you can listen to your favorite songs. The built-in Wi-Fi module allows you to surf the web or send messages while on the road at high speeds. The car stereo has the ability to stream movies in 4K, so you can stay entertained wherever you go. Everything about this car stereo screams quality, and for good reason. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.